In this video, I'm going to show you a straightforward process to find domain variations and purchase those domains in bulk. The reason we do this is simple. We want to protect our main domain and avoid using our primary company domain for outbound campaigns. Also, make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to share a few important things to keep in mind after you buy these domains. These are small details, but they matter a lot if you want your outbound setup to work properly. So let's say our main domain is rebook.com and we want to find 10 domain variations. To do that, I use this prompt along with this Custom GPT. I will leave the link in the description below so you can use it as well. The Custom GPT helps me find variations of my main domain. Even if I only need 10 domains, I usually ask to find about 20 variations. That gives me more options to choose from. In this example, the prompt is asking for 20 variations of rebook.com using the TLDs .com, .org, and .info. The reason we focus on those TLDs is that based on the data we have seen at Boost Hero, those usually perform best for deliverability. So now we paste the prompt into the Custom GPT and wait a few seconds. Perfect. Now we have 20 domain variations. As you can see, we have options like check rebook.com, visit rebook.com, join rebook.com, and several others. The next step is to copy those domain names. My go-to option for finding domain names that are affordable, reliable, and easy to buy in bulk is Porkbun. Since we usually need multiple domains, this makes the process much easier. Once we are inside Porkbun, we go to bulk search, then we paste the domain names and hit search. Now Porkbun is going to show us which domains are available and how much each one costs. As you can see, some domains are listed at the regular price, around $11.08, but we can also find cheaper options for $7.98, $3.60, and similar prices. So what I usually do is prioritize the cheaper domain names first, as long as they still use the TLDs we want, .com, .org, .info. Now we select the domains we want. Let's say we need 10, so we will choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then add a few more .com options until we have 10 in total. Perfect. Now that we have the 10 domains selected, we go to the checkout page. Here is where we double check that all the domains are correct and that they use the TLDs we mentioned before, the .com, .org, or .info. Once everything looks good, we continue to billing and complete the purchase. Now, before we wrap up, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, the domain you use should redirect to your main website. Second, people will reply to your emails. People are reactive. And if your email and offer catch their attention, they will respond. For example, our main domain is boosthero.co, but we receive replies from domains like buildboosthero.com, which redirects back to boosthero.co. So the two key things are choose the right TLDs and make sure each domain redirects properly. And in the next videos, I will share a few inbox resellers that make inbox setup easier and handle the backend process so your emails land in the right place. More of a white glove type of service. And that's the full process for finding domain names, domain variations, buying them in bulk, and making sure that they are set up the right way before using them for outbound.